Okay, now we are starting. As I said, this is the next skill that we are going to develop. Okay, listen, as I told you in the morning, the first skill was communication skill and the next one is teamwork, right? So teamwork, please cooperate.
Yes.
Now listen, teamwork is also called cooperation, collaboration or synergy. Okay, synergy. You know TGS નો જે લોગો છે આપણો એમાં શું લખ્યું છે? Teach, grow, empower, synergize. Teach, grow, empower, synergize. હવે ચેન્જ થઈ ગઈ. Relationships, legal relevance થઈ ગયું છે. But earlier it was teach, grow, empower, synergize. Synergize means to work together collaboratively. That is the original name of the school. પણ એને બીજું કંઈક આપણે ક્રિએટિવ આપવો પડે ને એસ્પેક્ટ એટલે. So it was teach, grow, empower, synergize. Now it is relationships, rigor and relevance. Okay? એટલે synergy એટલે ઈ થાય teamwork. Now what is it? Wait. પહેલા તમે મને કહો what is teamwork? તમારે બધાએ read. Raise your hands. Choir, just raise your hands. Then
Teamwork means people do together.
they work together. Okay? બધા ભેગા મળીને કામ કરે.
જે બધા ભેગા મળીને એક ગોલ અચીવ કરવા માટે કામ કરે ને ટીમવર્ક.
એક જ ગોલ એક જ હોય. બધાનો અલગ અલગ ગોલ એટલે બધાનો અલગ અલગ લક્ષ્ય ન હોય. Everyone has a shared goal. Yeah. Fine. So who wants to read this? Okay, Risha will read it. Risha reads it. Chalo. When I say that time you speak. Chalo.
Teamwork is when people work together to achieve and common goal. This like it's like
A group of friends.
a group of friends playing a game or work on a project together. Together everyone achieves more.
Okay. Team માં કેટલા four letters? T થી together, E થી everyone, A થી achieves and M થી more. Together everyone achieves more. હું એકલી કામ કરતી હો એના કરતા હું ટીમ માં રહીને કામ કરીશ તો મને વધારે રિઝલ્ટ મળશે, સારું રિઝલ્ટ મળશે. Understood? Full form નથી but you can call it an acrostic. This is an acrostic form. ઈ હું પછી તમને ક્યારે શીખવાડીશ when we will do something related to public speaking or something. શું કામ બીજાની વસ્તુ અટકી છે? If it's not done by you but it may be some other error. Okay. Okay. Think about your favorite sports teams. They work together to win games. Just like a soccer team passing the ball to score a goal, teamwork helps us achieve big things. Right? Cricket ma, football ma, basketball ma, you cannot achieve things alone. Right? Badminton કેવું, rifle shooting કેવું કંઈક હોય, table tennis. There you are playing on your own. ત્યારે તમારી સામે ખાલી opponent હોય. Right? ઈ તમે ખાલી individually રમો છો. But આમાં કેવું છે કે ટીમ માં રમો છો. So it helps you achieve a big goal. પછી સ્કૂલ માં દેખાય છે ટીમ વર્ક?
Yes.
You may not be doing it, others are doing it. હમણાં જ કર્યું, right? We did 4 activities based on it.
Yes.
So in school, teamwork happens when students homework. Working together makes learning more fun and helps everyone do better. समझाओ? Any doubts? Collaborate is the same as teamwork. Collaborate, cooperate, synergize, work together. પછી alliance. Understood? All synonyms. Okay. Benefits of teamwork. હવે teamwork has way more benefits than you can imagine. તમને જે હશે કે હા કે બધાનું સારું થાય, goal achieve કરવા માટે, but it has more benefits than you know. Teamwork helps us share ideas. પહેલા તો બધાના ideas અલગ-અલગ હશે, right? બધાની thinking process, બધાના opinions, બધાના viewpoints અલગ-અલગ હોય, right? So when I come in a team, ત્યારે મને અલગ-અલગ ideas સાંભળવા અને જોવા મળે, right? જો હું એકલી ન વિચારી શકત, ઈ મારા teammates મને કહે કે આવી રીતે આ જોવાય, આ કરી શકાય, ઓલું કરી શકાય. Those are the different ideas I come across. Then come up with better solutions. Let's say કંઈક problem હોય and એનો solution may બહુ complicated કાઢ્યો હોય, but my teammates help me come up to a very useful solution, right? તો એનાથી શું થયું? ઈ પ્રોબ્લેમનું આપણને સારું solution મળ્યું when we work in a team. Understood? It teaches us how to listen to others and respect different opinions. પહેલા તો when you are in a team, જ્યારે તમે likes and dislikes ની activity કરતા હતા, you are listening to people, right? પહેલા બધાનું જોયું કે આને like છે, love છે, hate છે, શું છે, and then you decided what you are going to write as the answer. So it teaches you to listen to everyone and then come to a decision. સમજાણું? And when we work together, we can accomplish more than what we can when we work alone. So આપણને ખબર છે 1 + 1 is 2, right? But when they work in a team, it's just a metaphor. So like when you work in a team, બે જણા હોય, it would be greater than 2. એટલે it just is trying to say કે તમે જ્યારે ટીમમાં હો ત્યારે 1 + 1 + 1 અગર 3 જણાની ટીમ તમારી હતી, it's not equal to 3, it's more than 3, right? You will be able to produce way more than you could have added and done. Understood? So it's like 1 + 1 is greater than 2, it's just a metaphor. પછી rules for good teamwork. Listen to others and take turns in talking. જ્યારે પાછું again likes and dislikes or that only જે scavenger hunt વાળી game હતી, you took. So I was saying that government of India, meaning the prime minister and his cabinet ministers, ઈ લોકો રોજ ઘણા troubles solve કરતા હશે, right? Including health related, education related, finance related, પછી આવું પેન્ડેમિક આવે તો એના related. પછી let's not take some huge example. અગર સ્કૂલમાં છે તો ટીચર્સ, let's say એ લોકોનો એક ગ્રુપ છે, right? You do not know what goes in the staff group, right? ત્યારે ઘણી challenges આવતી હોય, right? તમને અહીંયા બોલાવવામાં, તમારા ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટમાં, તમારી એક્ટિવિટીઝમાં, તમારા પ્લાનિંગમાં, એ લોકોની મીટિંગ્સમાં, એમાં ઘણા ટ્રબલ્સ આવતા હોય, right? So what do they do in both places? Teachers' small group હોય કે government of India જેટલું large group હોય, both are doing teamwork. બીજા ક્યાં teamwork મળે છે જોવા? Even at your home, right? Your grandparents, your parents, we cannot call it a team, but hello family છે, but they are working together, right?
Ma'am, we are doing in house painting, the painting man and our grandparents and my father and his brother.
Yes. એટલે ફેમિલીમાં also you do have a team, right? Because everyone is working together. તમને ખાલી એકને સ્કૂલે મૂકવા માટે આજે your mom prepared your snacks, your dad arranged for transport, again your mom just press your uniform, press your uniform, make sure that you reach on time.
આજે મેં ના પેટે નથી અહીંયા પછી હવે એને આમ જાવું છે.
Just listen to what I am saying. It are 3 examples of teamwork. One is government, one is school, and one is home. Anything else to add કરવું છે?
No.
Now facing challenges. Sometimes teamwork can be hard because we might have different ideas. But remember, working through challenges as a team makes us stronger and better. હવે ઘણીવાર clash of opinions થાય. Clash of opinions. રાઈટ એટલે ટીમમાં હું કામ કરતી હોઉં મને કોઈનો આઈડિયા ન ગયો તો હું શું કરું આપણે ઝઘડો તો થાય જ છે ટીમમાં લેટ્સ સે બધાને થતો જ હોય but then what are you supposed to do you are supposed to arrive at a solution right let's say 50% you compromise and then you come to a solution right even in your family your parents let's say લોકોને ઘણી વાત ઉપર આર્ગ્યુમેન્ટ તો થતી જ હોય right but still they work together as a team so એ લોકો solutions ગોતી લે છે that is what it's trying to say teamwork makes the dream work જે dream છે જે common goal છે એ accomplish ક્યારે થાય
teamwork
જ્યારે તમે collaborate કરો when we work as a team we can achieve big dreams and goals let's remember that we are stronger together and can accomplish amazing things and yeah that's it who said hi
Yes.
આ બધું બનાવવા it takes a lot of
Oh,
time
yes, nothing on the
I hope
Yes.
okay who will summarize what we did right now don't do that who wants to summarize summarize એટલે આમ શું કર્યું છે કોણ બોલશે શોર્ટમાં
We learn new things of teamwork and facing teamwork with
challenges problems
We learn English language. And we learn English language how we do things and how we flash the solutions.
okay how do we come arrive to a
We
solution
learn English.
even if there is a clash of opinions
How create our teamwork.
yes okay good
We